Hi guys, this is Meenakshi. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll be unboxing a DIY miniature canvas kit which I have purchased to decorate my daughter's desk. So I'll just quickly open the packet and show you the things we have got in it. So we have received these two packets. Let's open this first one. I think it has colors in it. Yes, it has colors and brushes. There are 2 brushes and 12 colors in it. Now I'll open this other packet where I can see few more things. I'll just show them all to you. This is a little thank you card with a beautiful picture on it. This second card is telling about the things which we have received in this kit, which is okay. Let's see what the third card says. This third card has few lines of information about kolam art which is printed on the mini canvas. And finally, this is the pre-printed mini canvas which I am going to color, and the design here is looking stunning. Not just that, we also have a cute mini easel to keep the canvas over it. So this was all about unboxing, and now let's begin coloring this beautiful piece of art. This is how it looks, and I'm sure it will add more beauty to the place. If you have liked the video, then please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.